Hi, I'm Dakota with POS Nation. It's the time of year for spring cleaning, out with the old and in with the new. And just like you need a personal reset, your small business is likely due for a cleanup too. In this video, we'll outline the perfect 4-step checklist to freshen up your shop and make sure everything is up to date. The first thing you need to check off your list is an inventory count. It may not be time for you quite yet if you've recently done this, but in general, we recommend a cycle count every 3 months. Use your counts to spot inventory discrepancies and account for shrinkage. You should also take note of what your best-selling products are and which are the slowest to move. Performing these tasks make it easy to adjust automatic purchase orders and low stock notifications. Next up, seasonal ordering. Do you run a small business that changes with the seasons? For example, if you have a garden center or nursery, you know that certain plants thrive in the spring while others don't. Or if you have a liquor store, there are certain liquors and craft beers that are just more appealing on a sunny day. If there's anything you can think of that customers get excited for this time of year, make sure you have it in stock. If it's your first time ordering a specific product, test out a small batch first to see how it sells. And if there's anything left over from the last season that you're ready to move, running a promotion or significantly discounting these products will help you get them out the door. The next item on your checklist should be a marketing checkup. How's your website looking? Are Google My Business and other social media platforms up to date? Make sure your business hours are accurate and remove any lingering promotions. If you posted about jobs that you've already filled, double check that they aren't being promoted anywhere. Your small business may utilize email campaigns to communicate with customers, and now's a great time to make sure that content is up to date too. No matter where you promote your retail store, you want to make sure that what's out there is still accurate and being updated in a timely manner. Most potential customers will do their research online before stopping in, and you don't want to frustrate them with any confusing information. Finally, since we're talking about spring cleaning, it's a good idea to do some actual cleanup. If your shop gets mostly maintenance cleanings, this is a great time of year to organize your floor and backroom inventory and get rid of dust bunnies. The organization and cleanliness of your store affects the customer and employee experience, so do your best to make a positive impression. Additionally, your decor and other visuals might need a refresh too. If you're going to run a promotion, design and print off some eye-catching flyers to put around your store. You can also freshen up signage that's on your shelves, products, or at the register. It's the little details that make a huge difference, and trust us, your customers will notice. Checking these 4 tasks off your list will ensure a successful refresh of your small business. If you need help managing these and keeping up with automation and reporting, learn more about our retail POS solution by contacting sales@posnation.com. Happy spring cleaning!